So this meeting of the Academy of Medical Sciences is the first time that they have led a UK science meeting for young clinical investigators. And we are proud to partner with the Academy and the Royal College of Physicians to try and get the message out about how good UK medical science is and how important it is to bring scientists together to present and debate their work. It's really important for young investigators to get together to present their work, because when you're working in a lab, often for many months, even years, it can sometimes be quite despairing. Things go wrong. It can be very, very tough to get great results. So bringing your results to a meeting like this, sharing them, debating them, discussing them, is incredibly motivational for them, but also it's a way to learn, cross-fertilize with many different specialties. So many of our scientific meetings today are very narrowly focused. And in a meeting like this, where you're bringing many different specialties and fields together, it's an opportunity to really see how interdisciplinary science can be incredibly powerful. 100 years ago, you could be a single investigator in a single centre and do Nobel Prize winning research. In 2013, you cannot do that anymore. You need team science. You need to have people not just in a single centre, but often in many different centres around the world. So networks of scientific collaboration produce the best science. So bringing people together at a meeting like this helps support and bring those networks to reality. I can remember the first time I presented work at a society meeting as a British Pharmacological Society many decades ago. And it is frightening standing up and presenting your work to colleagues who you know are going to tear you apart in the question sessions. But actually, this is a great discipline. It's a way to get you to think critically about your data. And the thing to always remember when you're standing up there presenting it, you know more about your research than anybody else in the room. You are the expert. Everybody else there knows less than you, so you should feel confident. I mean, networking today is done virtually as well as physically. It's really important to turn up physically and go to meetings and meet people face to face. But increasingly, I find anyway, that social media are a really powerful way to build networks. And they're not trivial networks. There's no other medium, actually, that's better for doing that. It's like you have a global conversation, a global conference every time you post a research paper or new evidence. The best advice I could give to young investigators is do, in terms of your communication, exactly what you do in terms of your science, which is experiment. Try everything. Go to meetings, debate with your colleagues, go to Facebook, try Twitter. All of these things are ways to improve your communication skills. So important to remember that science isn't just about doing the research. Science is also about communicating that research to a broad audience.